5 creative student art and design business ideas that are thriving in Europe. If you're a student of art and design, you're practically stepping into a world of opportunities for entrepreneurial ventures, especially if you're living in Europe. Let's take a look at some inspiring student art and design business ideas that are thriving across Europe. 1. Customized furniture. There is a growing demand for affordable customized furniture and home decor that reflect a person's style and preferences. Students of architecture, interior design, and product design can offer their services on a freelance basis, working on small-scale customization projects. Customized furniture businesses can start small, catering to family and friends, and gradually grow by using social media and online platforms to attract new clients. 2. Digital illustration. Technology has made it easier for artists to turn their paper sketches into digital artwork. Digital illustration has a huge demand in various industries like advertising, fashion, gaming, ebooks, and storytelling. Student artists can offer their digital illustration services to these industries, opening up career opportunities even before graduation. 3. Eco-friendly fashion. Sustainable and eco-friendly fashion is increasing its popularity worldwide. A lot of students pursuing fashion design are incorporating this sustainability concept in their designs, from using natural and organic materials to recycling unused clothes. Eco-friendly fashion is not just a trend, but a movement that continues to grow, showing no signs of slowing down. Starting a sustainable fashion brand can make an impact while pursuing your passion. 4. Graphic design. Graphic design is becoming more important as digital content has taken over traditional media. From logos to websites, companies are prioritizing sleek and modern aesthetics. Graphic design freelancers can offer their services to startups and small businesses who have tight budgets and need affordable branding strategies. Student designers can also create their own online stores to sell themed designs like stickers, tote bags, pins, and t-shirts. The market for cute and artsy designs is promising. Just take a look at Etsy and Redbubble. 5. Handmade products. Handmade products have always been appreciated for their uniqueness and personal touch. Student artisans and crafters can utilize online platforms like Etsy or local markets to sell their handmade products to a larger audience. The handmade market is constantly growing, and it's not just limited to traditional crafts like knitting or pottery. You can create handmade skincare products, candles, jewelry, etc. Conclusion. Entrepreneurial opportunities in the arts and design field are endless. As a student, you have the rare chance of starting a business before you even graduate. These 5 business ideas are just a glimpse of what's possible. With creativity and passion, you can turn your art and design skills into a successful business. Want to learn more? Visit our website.